MIT1A panel, piezo resistive transducer for pressure measurement. Now we see the procedure, how it works. Put it into the MIT Master Unit. For working for this panel, we required plus 12 volt ground and minus 12 volt. It takes from top board of the Master Unit. Connect plus 12 volt to one number, ground goes to 2 number, and minus 12 volt goes to 3 number. This is power supply connections. From this side you have to connect multimeter or DPM. So I am using here 2 volt multimeter. When you start this one, by using this you can select the adjustment for span and zero adjustment. First you select the zero adjustment. When there is a pressure 0, when here you can see the pressure is 0. By using this pot you can make it 0. This is by using 0 pot. Now you can use the pressure. You make it here 1.5 or 1. Then by using span pot you can make it here 1 volt or 1.5 volt. Then you release the pressure smoothly and check the voltages. When it is 0.5 it shows to you almost 0.70. When it is 0 it shows to you 0. Thank you.